The best choice for smart lighting is clear when you do the math. Have you ever noticed how many bulbs are in your house? Imagine having to buy new smart bulbs to replace all of them. That can get really expensive. Why do that when you can make your regular bulbs smart? That's what Caseta by Lutron does by putting the brains in the switch where you've always controlled your lights. And since one switch can control a lot of bulbs, buying smart switches instead of smart bulbs can save you a lot of money. And here's something else. If someone flips off the power to the smart bulb at the switch, it's no longer smart. But Caseta is always ready to go, even when the switch is off. Plus, with more ways to control, anyone in the house can adjust the lights. And it's the most connected smart lighting control brand on the market, so you can rest easy that it will work well with most smart devices you have now and the ones you'll get tomorrow. Because Caseta works with your home's existing wiring, installation is a breeze. If you need support, it's just a click or phone call away. No wonder Caseta is highly rated by homeowners, lighting pros, and reviewers alike. When you add it all up, it's clear. Caseta by Lutron is the smarter choice for smart lighting.
Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultralock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Did you leave the garage door open? Can your kids get in while you're at work? Is your dog inside but the dog walker is outside? Then it's time to teach your garage door opener some new tricks with Chamberlain's new Smart Garage Control. In just minutes, your existing garage door opener can get a major upgrade. Imagine controlling it from your phone, opening it and closing it from anywhere, getting alerts when others open it, and confirming it's truly closed anytime you have a doubt. Best of all, it's so fast and easy to get connected. Just download the MyQ app, plug in the Wi-Fi hub, and follow the app instructions for setup. Then mount the Wi-Fi hub. Eligible Amazon Prime members can get all their essentials delivered right inside the garage. Getting started with in-garage delivery is as simple as linking your MyQ account with Key. Open it, close it, let them in. And don't let anyone feel left out with one easy upgrade. Chamberlain's new Smart Garage Control. Don't change your garage door opener. Change what it can do.
Are you into home automation? Then you'll love Hubitat Elevation. This powerful, intuitive device makes it easy for you DIYers to automate your home so your smart devices respond the way you want, when you want, elevating your environment. Unlike cloud-dependent hubs, Hubitat Elevation works locally, so it's more reliable, faster, and private. Motion lighting provides a touch-free environment. Hubitat Safety Monitor gives you peace of mind knowing your home and your family are safe. Hubitat works even when the internet doesn't. Plus, Hubitat is faster. No cloud means no delays, and it's private since your data is only stored locally. Hubitat works with a wide variety of smart devices. And with built-in apps like Rule Machine, you can create simple to complex automations that will adjust your environment to suit each mood and occasion. Experience a new way of living with Hubitat Elevation.